In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized dashboard in Zoho CRM using Google Chrome. Dashboards are vital for quickly accessing key performance indicators and insights that drive your business forward. Starting with the very basics, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Zoho CRM account through Google Chrome. This web browser is not only commonly used, but also provides a stable environment for running Zoho CRM smoothly. So once Chrome is opened, head over to Zoho CRM's login page and enter your credentials to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage. You'll notice various tabs and tools designed to enhance your productivity. Among these tabs, you're looking for the one labeled Dashboards. This is your next destination. Click on the Dashboards tab, and it will lead you to the section where all the magic happens. Here, you'll have access to any pre-existing dashboards and can start the process of creating a brand new one. To initiate the creation of a new dashboard, look for the option Create Dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a world of customization options. You'll be prompted to choose from either pre-built widgets or customize your own charts and reports. These pre-built widgets are especially useful if you're looking for quick setup solutions. They're designed to serve a wide range of functions, covering some of the most common business metrics right out of the box. However, if you have specific needs and want greater control over what data is displayed, the Customize option is perfect for tailoring charts and reports to your unique requirements. While setting up your dashboard, an important aspect to consider is the addition of key performance indicators, or KPIs, that align closely with your sales or marketing goals. KPIs are the heartbeat of your business intelligence, providing critical insights that can help you make informed decisions. Think carefully about which metrics truly reflect your objectives and strategies. This ensures your dashboard becomes a powerful tool in analyzing performance and planning for future success. When you're satisfied with your dashboard layout and content, don't forget to save your work. Just look for the Save option and ensure that all your customizations are intact. Finally, consider sharing this dashboard with your team. Collaboration is essential, and making this dashboard accessible to your colleagues can help align efforts, share insights, and keep everyone on the same page. Sharing is typically as simple as choosing the right permissions and inviting team members to view or edit your dashboard as necessary. By following these steps, you can transform complex data into easily digestible visual formats, enhancing not just your productivity, but that of your entire team as well. Thank you for stopping by, and good luck with creating insightful dashboards that can truly elevate your business strategy.